Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video I would like to share with you economic events in this week. So many economic events, more volatile events in this week. So my Telegram link is below. It has accurate goal signals with economic data, economic events, and with combined with technical analysis. So you can see I am in 13th June, Tuesday. On this week it has CPI data US dollar. So US dollar CPI data report is very important economic report in this week regarding US federal funds rates on June 14. So current CPI data yield is 4.9, 4.1 is Federal Reserve expected forecast economic CPI data figure. So CPI data will drop to 4.1. That will help to the federal fund rates. Fed interest rates will be paused. So 73% forecast probability in Fed watch tool that interest rate will be paused. So next 14th of June, that's the goal chart. I am in Fed interest rate will be paused. That goal will be get the huge demand. So you can see the goal chart. So Federal Reserve will increase interest rate 5.25 to 5.5. That will be effect to the goal drop to the below side. So federal interest rates in June 14th, this Wednesday, is the more volatile economic events. So 5.25 is the current interest rate, and Federal Reserve American Central Bank will forecast to pause the interest rate in 5.25. So Fed's interest rates in this week, more volatile economic events. You will touch with this economic event. So let's move to the June 15th. So June 15th, it has New Zealand dollar GDP. You will touch with the New Zealand dollar RBNC. Reserve Bank of New Zealand GDP will be positive. That's the demand of New Zealand dollar. Now currently in 5.5 interest rate in RBNC. And next, ECB, European Central Bank's interest rate in June 15, Thursday, 3.75 is the current interest rate, and ECB will expect to 25 BPS interest rate hike on next ECB meeting, Federal European Central Bank's interest rate. So that the ECB interest rates in next week, this week is more volatile to euro. You will touch with the ECB interest rates in this week. So 25 bps hike forecast in this week. If hike 25 bps to 4.25, that's the ECB euro demand. So Friday, June 16th, it has BOJ press conference, BOJ inference test. Bank of Japan is the now since 2016 is a minus 0.10 interest rates. Is now there are no hockey stone to get the interest rate to positive side, but now they are still forecasting to hold post the interest rate in 0.10 negative interest rate policy. So that's the JPY. You will touch with the BOJ press conference in Friday for BOJ get the hockey stone. That will be help to the Japanese yen demand. So these are the economic events, economic data this week. If you are trading gold, USD pairs and other pairs, you will touch with this economic data. So thank you very much.